Hi, today you will learn how to use limiter effect in Kdenlive. So if you want to do it, first you need to drag and drop your video to the timeline. And now let's check the sound of this video, so let's play it. This audio and video simple track special for tutorials 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 test. Okay, so now if we want to apply limiter to this audio, we need to go to Effects tab, and here on the search field we need to type limiter. Then you will be able to find this option in the volume and dynamic settings. Of course, you can find it manually if you want. So we need to drag and drop this effect to our audio. And after that, we can change position of this indicator to the start. We can click on this audio. And here you will find the limiter settings in effects and composition stack. And now in limiter settings, we can increase or decrease input gain and output gain if you want, but I recommend you to not change these values. And on the limit settings, we can adjust the value here. So for example, I will set it to 0.2 to show you the differences between two videos. So now if you will play this video, you will be able to check the changes. So let's do it now. It is audio and video simple track special for tutorials 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 test. So how you see both videos sounds differently here. So if I helped you to do it, remember to send me a tip using thank you option on YouTube. Thank you for watching my tutorials.